About a year ago, I made a decision that would make my YouTube channel today. And of course, that was learning Blender. In today's video, I'm going to go through all the steps I've went through in Blender to get where I am today and my story of my 1 year of learning Blender. If you don't know, Blender is an open source free program that allows you to 3D model, animate, and do so much more. About a year ago around this time, I was wondering, how do people make animations? That in animated films or movies. That includes, of course, 2D and 3D. That's when I heard about Blender. And I was amazed when I came in. I didn't even know how to work files on a computer. I had zero knowledge at all, and that it just looked like so much to do. I didn't think I would ever learn it. All I could do was highlight the cube orange. I didn't even know to press delete. I was like pressing every single button on my keyboard and nothing happened. And that was a time when I found the classic donut tutorial. I followed the tutorial halfway, and then I kind of gave up on it. It was getting kind of boring and hard, so I made a half-finished donut, and yeah, that's how it all started. And today you can see my channel is filled with a bunch of Blender videos, tutorials, and so much more things that are Blender. And I've used it in a countless number of things, and it's helped me out a lot, especially just learning the basics of computers. But back to where I was. When I decided to learn Blender, after a month of not figuring anything out, I finally started the donut tutorial. That's around when I made my first animation, which looked like this. It was just a simple project, and I just made this cone guy talk, and it was about the 4 spheres, Earth spheres, creating soil. And I was very proud of it. Though it was simple, I'm still proud of it today for my first animation. And I don't even know what this is. I was just trying to find old things. I don't even remember making it. It's like a weird jello cube. What is that thing? I have no idea. But back to where I was. Around this time is when the pandemic started, and I decided I would get back to work because I took a little break. And that's when my channel started as well. You can see a bunch of videos I've made. And this was around the time when I started to learn Unity. And that's for a separate video. But I also made Blender things from Blender for my games. And this was the time when I made my first animation, Small. It was about a penguin who was too little to go down the big slide, so he made his own slide. And now you can see my newest video currently is the marble race, the animated marble race, which is just a simple marble race that I just wanted to put together for fun. And yeah, it really was fun. And that's where I am today in 1 year of learning Blender. I hope if you are thinking of trying Blender, give it a try, and you'll learn so much just like I have. It's been a great experience.